people seeking professional help to take care of their mental health?
Obviously, it should be like, I don't know why till now there is not that much concern about mental health. It is important as well as physical health also. I'm preferring it is better to heal ourselves.
So the little things what we do is we meditate. We meditate about 15 minutes a day.
Well, they are doing the right thing, obviously.
Because depression is nowadays a very common disease to everyone.
That everybody needs to be heard. Okay, so half the problem is solved when somebody listens to you.
October 10th is celebrated as World Mental Health Day. Since the pandemic, the awareness regarding mental health has increased, but there has also been an increase in the cases related to mental health disorders and stress-related disorders. In fact, a study even found that 1 in 7 Indian is affected by a mental health disorder at any given point of time, which accounts to around 200 million people. We are here at Bengaluru's Brigade Road, and let's see what people do in their daily life to take care of their mental health. Let's see if people of Bengaluru take some steps towards breaking the stigma regarding mental health and taking care of themselves. Is there anything that you do to take care of your mental health in your everyday life?
Actually, now no. But I'm interested to do yoga, but
Don't get the time. Okay, and what is your opinion about people seeking professional help to take care of their own mental health?
they can, if they need, they can. But I'm preferring it is better to heal ourselves.
Do to take care of your mental health in your everyday life?
Life is going with him, so it's like a pressure every day. Handling my kid. He's just 3 years.
So how do you take some time out and do something for your own self?
I go for walking and then I listen to music. I play chess.
Also, ma'am, what do you think about people taking, professional help for their mental health?
Yeah, that's good. If they need, they will take support.
The thing is, what do you do in your daily life to take care of your mental health?
We wake up very early in the morning, maybe around 5:15 or 6 o'clock, and we go for a walks together. And then sometimes we go to the gym maybe 3 times a week. More often it is not a gym, what do I call is fitness. That is basically what we do to keep ourselves fit.
And what is your opinion about seeking professional help to take care of your own mental health?
So the little things what we do is we meditate. We meditate about 15 minutes a day in the morning. Sometimes if we miss the morning, then it becomes in the evening or night meditation. That's what keeps our mental health okay. But other than that, relaxation, play some sports. I'm a golfer. Golfing is very good. It keeps us on level because golf is a very difficult game and it keeps us at peace, most of us. And she plants flowers in our estate in Kurd. So we are happy doing that. That's basically it.
So first thing is, how do you take care of your mental health in your everyday life?
Sleep.
Yes. And what is your opinion about people seeking professional help to take care of their own mental health?
You have to be patient and concentration in meditation.
But what about people who go to counselors or psychologists, psychiatrists to take care of their mental health?
According to them, it will help.
Your mental health in your everyday life?
That's a very good question. I can't think of anything specific except maybe a little bit of exercise by walking and and reading, changing channels as it were. Yeah.
Also, sir, what would be your opinion for people who go to professionals to seek mental health? What is your opinion about that?
Well, they are doing the right thing, obviously. I mean, if you are not well, you go to a doctor, and it depends on what your problem is. You go to the appropriate doctor. Yeah, nothing special about it.
Yeah, so there's no stigma when people go and seek, help for that.
I think it depends on the level of education of the person. There are a lot of superstitions. If a person is reasonably educated, the level of superstition is lower, and obviously stigma, quote unquote, would not exist.
So, sir, is there anything that you do to take care of your mental health in your everyday life?
Yeah, obviously. No, we don't take tension first of all. That is a basic thumb rule of maintaining the good mental health. So normally, if there any situation, if you have to engage yourself in mental problems, you need to engage somebody else for that. So I normally recruit a manager for taking care of that mental health. Yeah, tell me.
Also, sir, what is your opinion about seeking professional help to take care of your own mental health?
I don't think that you need to look out for any other third person or third party to take care of our mental health. It's all how you are going to practice yourself. I normally practice yoga. That is one of my best reason for maintaining my mental health. That's the reason.
So, sir, what do you do to take care of your mental health in your everyday life?
Okay, I think first of all, there's a huge taboo about mental health in our community. Okay, primarily, that's a very, very basic thing everybody requires. Not seen, but you live with day in and day out. So I think it's a responsibility of every individual and collectively the society as well to practice a very healthy living.
So, what are some of the activities that you do?
Okay, basically, I'm a counselor. So I enjoy counseling because I see people get transformed when I speak to them. So this is what is understood out of this activity, that everybody needs to be heard. Okay, so half the problem is solved when somebody listens to you.
So, since you are a counselor, what are some of the stigmas that people come with when they come to seek help from you?
They know for sure that they need help, but they're very shy because they feel very insecure if anything about their personal information is out in public.
Is there something that you do in your day to day life to take care of your mental health?
Yeah, we used to do like not that much, but 5 minutes meditation when we used to go sleep.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, I need for my space. That's it. That time I don't want to take any call and don't text anyone like that. That time only I need for my yeah.
So, you make sure that you take out some time for your own self in everyday life in whatever way possible.
At the night.
Also, what is your opinion about people seeking professional help to take care of their mental health?
Obviously, it should be like, I don't know why till now there is not that much concern about mental health. It is important as well as physical health also, because depression is nowadays a very common disease to everyone.
Day by day, like in a workplace or everywhere, we are going through the depressions and also. I think like at the end of the day, they have to take for your own time.
It seems like stigma around mental health in Bengaluru is decreasing and people are more open to seeking professional help to take care of their mental health. While from walking, meditation, reading, people in Bengaluru are doing various activities to take care of their mental health. Do let us know in the comments below, what do you do to take care of your mental health? Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such videos.